Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and to this chaos I have right now in this kitchen. So today's video is going to be a clean with me and cook with me. I'm going to prepare dinner while I'm gonna straighten up around here. It's middle of the week, so things are all over the place already, so I need to straighten up a little bit. And today's video is with collaboration with my friend Mommy Life. Check out her channel. I'm gonna link her channel down below so you can check her out. Today I'm preparing yummy chicken with veggies. It's super simple recipe. It's a one baking sheet kind of dish. Within 30 minutes you have a dinner ready. So let me show you. There are kids around. So let me show you how I do it, and I'm gonna clean up while I'm cooking. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so I started cooking the dinner right after my son came home from daycare. I preheated the oven for 400 Fahrenheit and I opened the chicken breast, washed it and put it in a baking pan. Today I'm using only a chicken wrap spice and a little bit of salt. I don't usually put a lot of salt just because I don't want the kids to eat too much salty stuff. I bought a bunch of frozen veggies from Trader Joe's the other day, so that's what I'm gonna put in this dish. First I opened the bag that has beans and corn in it, and second bag has a mix of everything: carrot, corn and peas. I added some broccoli too because kids really love broccoli, and that's the only one veggie Sasha would eat. I put some more chicken wrap on it and sprinkled some olive oil. I used thin cut chicken breast because it cooks faster. I put it in an oven for approximately 30 minutes. They are usually not really done yet, but I start to check them after 30 minutes and I cook them for additional 10 to 15 minutes. Another side dish that I picked from Trader Joe's that I really wanted to try was this mashed cauliflower. It's something like mashed potatoes, but made of cauliflower. So while everything was cooking, I went to quickly do some laundry. I did one load and then I folded some dry laundry that was piling up already. Before chicken is ready, I did some dishes. Then I put the chicken out and I washed the countertop while it was cooling off. After dinner, I put the leftovers in a container to eat at night or for lunch next day. The pan I let soak overnight with a little bit of dish soap and water. Sasha wanted to help me clean up. He loves to vacuum, so I let him to help me. I finished up the cleaning with mopping the floors, and then it was time to start our bedtime routine. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video and the recipe. You should try it. It's super simple and quick, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.